Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change shipping address on Amazon. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android, or go to Amazon.com on a browser. Once you're logged in, you have two simple ways to update your address. The first option is through your account settings. Tap the three lines in the bottom right corner of the app, then tap your account. Here, scroll down to Account Settings and select Your Addresses. Here, you'll see your current default shipping address. Tap Add a new address, enter the new details, and save it to make that address available for future orders. The second option is to change the address while checking out. Go back to the home screen, tap the cart icon, and proceed to checkout. On the delivery screen, tap Change Delivery Address instead of using the default one. You can either select an existing address on your account or tap Add a new delivery address, enter the new information, and continue. Your order will then be shipped to the updated address. And that's it. So that is how you can change shipping address on Amazon. So that's all for this video. Thanks.